Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today once again on my crochet channel, Craving Crochet. Today I'm coming in with a recent yarn haul that I did in my local, two local dollar stores. So I hadn't gone in so long, and they don't show anything they don't really have any information on the website. So I was like, I just have to go check it out. So I went to a local Dollar Tree. So everything used to be $1.25, and it's now everything in the store is now $1.50, which is still an excellent buy. So I went into my local Dollar Tree and I was looking for yarn, of course. And I was in the craft section, and I didn't see anything. And then I thought, oh, maybe they're not carrying any yarn anymore, because I had gone in previously. Well, it's been a big chunk of time since I've been in there. And I did see yarn. And then when I went in the other day, I didn't see anything. And then I just looked up, and there was all these boxes full of yarn. They were just high up. So I found some beautiful yarn. Let me show it to you at Dollar Tree. So I got this one. It's called Crafter's Square. It's the name of the brand. And what is this here? I think it's just 100% acrylic. And it doesn't even tell you like the weight of the yarn or anything. It doesn't say on the label here. It just says Canadian, and there's a number. Imported. Doesn't tell me what weight it is. So it's gives me the washing care instructions, but no, it's a 50-gram ball. It looks kind of thin. It could be a medium, or not a medium. It could be a 3-weight yarn, because it's not really thick, but there's no other way of seeing it. And they're falling all over the floor because I got so many. So I got as many as I could that match. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going to start falling. 5. I'll put them on the other side. 6. They're all the same color, pink. 7. That way, you have lots of the same color and you can make a project. That was 7. 8. Any more pinks? I think that's it. So I got 8 pinks. And then I got the same again in this pretty blue color. Doesn't even give you the name of the color, nothing. But, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blues. Or it's like an aquamarine. It's really pretty color. That will make a nice summer top, eh? So I got 5 of those. I'm just going to throw them on the floor here, because I'm running out of space. And then I got 1 of these. It's the same one, same company. Crafter's Square. I can only find 1, so I got 1. And then I got 2 reds. I thought that would be a switch for a change. Is it the same? Yeah, they're all Crafter's Squares. This one, this one might give me this label is a little bit different. Let's see, it just says use a 5mm knitting needle or a 6mm crochet hook, USA J to 10. But it doesn't look really thick, the yarn. So I'm not sure. Could be just a worsted weight yarn. And it says number 3 here, but imported. Yeah, doesn't give me much information, but that's fine. I'll take it. And then I got the exact same one again, but I found this pretty green. So I thought that would be nice. So that is my Dollar Tree yarn. And then, actually I went to this store first, Dollarama. That's a Canadian dollar store. And this one was, I think this one was cheaper. This one was hang on, let me make sure. Yes. These were all $1.25. So this is a cotton yarn. So it's a cotton blend. Yeah, $1.25. So that was a good buy. So I bought a bunch of these. Here's some greens. I tried to get as much as I could because, you know, there's a lot of shortages, right? So snatching up what I can. So I got 2 greens. That's all I could find in that same color. And then I found these pinks. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinks. So these are nice summery colors. That would look nice with the green. Wouldn't that look nice, something with the green? What should I make next? What kind of tutorial would you like to see next? Let me know. I'm thinking of doing some kind of a summery something. I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure it out. And then I found some grays. So I got 1, 2. Gray is nice. Goes with everything. 3. And 4 grays. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 pinks and 4 grays. So isn't that pretty yarn for $1.25? Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with that. So that's my video for today, my little dollar store yarn haul. I encourage you to go check out your dollar stores because they have some great yarn. Look how nice this is. I can't wait to try this. Anyways, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe. I like to try and come in here once a week and show you yarn hauls or tutorials. I don't have time to do tutorials as much as I'd like because I do have a full-time job. And so if there's anything you'd like to see on here, let me know. Leave me a comment. I appreciate it. And have an excellent rest of your week. Till next time.